Jatinder Singh Sumal, working as a Dean, Department of Physical Education, Guru Kashi University, Talwandi Sabo. In our department, we have many programs, BPES, BPEd, MPEd, 2-year, which is recognized by National Council of Teacher Education. We have MPhil and PhD also. In yoga, we have PG Diploma in Yoga and Master in Yoga. In Department of Physio, we have Diploma in Physio, Bachelor in Physio and Master in Physio.
ਸਾਡੀ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਕਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਗੇਮਾਂ ਕਰਾਈਆਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਹਾਕੀ, ਫੁੱਟਬਾਲ, ਖੋ-ਖੋ, ਕਬੱਡੀ, ਵਾਲੀਬਾਲ। ਹਾਕੀ ਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਟੀਮ ਪਿਛਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਇੰਟਰ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਵੀ ਖੇਡ ਕੇ ਆਈ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ।
Our staff is taking good steps for us, that they are showing every technique to us, and I have represented Jammu and Kashmir in senior nationals in tennis. We are very happy that we have the part of this institution, part of this university, and we are enjoying very much here.
जो इन्वायरमेंट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली है, बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेडिशनल है और मुझे यहाँ पे कभी भी ये फील नहीं होता कि मैं कहीं और आई हूँ या फिर यहाँ पे अदर स्टेट्स के भी बच्चे हैं तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली बिहेव करते हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ हम मिल के रहते हैं। मैं हॉस्टलर हूँ, वहाँ की फैसिलिटीज़ भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है और मेरा डिपार्टमेंट फ़िज़िकल एजुकेशन हमेशा सपोर्टिव रहता है। अभी मेरा ऑल इंडिया में सिलेक्शन हुआ है, मैं उसके कैंप की तैयारी कर रही हूँ।
We have 35 indoor and outdoor sports arena, athletic track, football, kho-kho, kabaddi, hockey, basketball, volleyball, handball and some indoor game and swimming pool also.
फिज़िकल एजुकेशन मेरा डिपार्टमेंट है, BPS 3rd सेम में पढ़ती हूँ मैं और यहाँ पे अच्छी फैसिलिटीज़ है हमारे कॉलेज में। यहाँ पे किक बॉक्सिंग होती है जो सबसे बेस्ट है, उसमें हमें मॉर्निंग में इवनिंग में हर टाइम प्रैक्टिस मिलती है जिसमें हमें किकिंग, पंचिंग, सेल्फ डिफेंस सिखाया जाता है।
We have higher qualified faculties in physical education and sports. In physical education, maximum faculty having doctorate degree, and in sports, maximum sports coaches having diploma in coaching from NIS Patiala.
Welcome to the Physiotherapy Department of the Guru Kashi University. First of all, what is physiotherapy? It is a healthcare profession which helps to restore the function and the movement of the persons who are having any illness, injury or any disability. Presently, we are having students from other states as well as from many other countries outside India.
This is a lab which has got all the facilities for teaching practicals to our students. We have got almost all of the equipments which are necessary for teaching our students. First of all, we have got this shoulder pulley which is used for improving shoulder range of motion, especially abduction and flexion. Next to it, we have got the wall ladder. It is used for improving shoulder flexion and abduction.
Achievements of students, we have got approximate 80 medal in National University game, gold, silver and bronze, 25 gold, 38 silver, nearby 48 bronze medal we have achieved in National University Game conducted by Association of Indian University, New Delhi.
And in this university, I chose it because of they have so much of experienced teachers and students, and I choose this physical education because they have a good playground and they guide us in our week problem, and I'm happy to stay in this university and I enjoy to stay in this university.
Here, and we are enjoying sports. We have had many tournaments, many games, great experience in India. You should come to Guru Kashi University because here our sports is fantastic, academics are fantastic, and we are really enjoying it here.